You know, I don't speak German. You know, I know those small things. Hello, guten Tag, Ausstieg links, things like this. If you start having conversation, now, you know, fuck you, have a life. And this is easy until you get in a train. Because in a train, did you realize the announcements in German, they are longer. And in English, they are shorter. They go, nächste Haltestelle, Hauptbahnhof. Übergang zu alles S- und U-Bahn-Linien sowie Regional- und Fernverkehr. Endet dort, Ausstieg links. Next station, Central Station. Bitch, what did you fucking say in German? And what's enough is when they're fixing the roads, because they're always fixing some shit in this country. And when they're fixing the road, this guy that is riding this train or tram, he speaks into the microphone. And he doesn't translate. Fucks with me every time. Because he goes like, Guten Tag. So now I just want to listen if like there's anything I can relate. Ehrenfeld. No, something is happening at Ehrenfeld. I'm in a train looking at every white people. What are we fucking doing at Ehrenfeld? And I'm the only one stressed. Everybody is calm. We get at Ehrenfeld, that's when the train stops for a bit. I'm looking if something unusual is gonna happen, and that's when a brother, a black dude, enters the wagon from that side. And when he enters the wagon, all the white people in the wagon, they look at him, and then they look at me. And then they wait for some cultural shit to happen.